Hi, welcome to my workshop. I'm Greg Cassidy, and this is my channel. If you like modeling, if you like building structures, if you like craftsman style structures, or if you like model railroading, then I'd like to invite you to visit my channel. I build structures and other model railroading pieces for my layout and for my customers' layouts. I also build dioramas to showcase other manufacturers' products. And I work in all types of mediums: wood and plastic and hydrocal. And I use a variety of techniques, always striving to get a real appearance, which usually involves weathering items. Every now and then, I'll find a product or a technique that I like to share with my viewers. It could be a product that I've just discovered, or a different way of doing something that might make your job easier or come out a little different. But primarily, my videos are showing how I build a certain kit, or perhaps a scratch build. I've got quite a few of these videos on my channel. They're all under the playlist of my build videos. And often, I'll give the history behind a certain product, or why I built it to look a certain way. And I try to always show the techniques and the steps that I used in putting an item together. It might just be building a kit the way it came from the manufacturer, or kit bashing it into something else. And sometimes I go into scratch building an item for a customer, and I'll show the planning steps of how I do that. Mostly, I hope you come away from my videos having enjoyed them and maybe having learned something. I also work with a Zoom program called Nutrax Modeling, put on by Jim Kello. And I have a number of build-along videos from that show posted on my site, where I'll build a kit and the viewers are building along with me, and we'll go through step by step on how I assemble it. Anyway, I'm glad that you found my channel. And what's next? Well, I hope you hang around and enjoy some of my videos. And feel free to comment on them. I'd like to get to know you.